They say that a tortoise cannot drive a helicopter. Apparently, they're wrong. Yes, we failed driving a car, and yes, we failed driving a boat, but they never seen a tortoise drive a helicopter before. Tortoise is the most horrid idea ever planned from a reptile. Shut up. Good thing I'm over here. Let's go places. Hey, great white shark. What is it, Sawfish? What should I do anything today? Not really, to be honest. Hey, Sawfish. What is that over there? Sea cat? I told you everything will go fine. What was that? That's the engines failing. Oh no. There's a helicopter flying towards the collection. And I think I see tortoise and cat. But the bad news is it's coming straight towards us! Ooh. And it's gonna crash into us! Oh no! Oh, it's my fan on my wing! Sorry, every animal. Tortoise! My leg! How come I hear screaming from the above?